Now that we've added the Screencastify extension to our Chrome web browser, I want to go ahead and show you how you can use it. So the first thing you'll need to do is find this black film strip icon, and just by clicking on it, that will turn on Screencastify. This is great for students because they can't get lost in lots of choices. You can either record the whole desktop, so that if you need to toggle between different tabs or different windows, or even pull up a different application on your Chromebook, it will be recording the whole screen. So this would work well for a Google Expeditions activity. Or if you just wanted to focus on the one tab and kind of take out all of the other things that are happening on the screen, you can just focus on the one tab. Make sure your microphone is turned on. If you have one plugged in, you can choose between your different options, and you can see my volume is working. When you're ready to go ahead and record desktop. It'll give you one more chance to choose exactly what you want to record, the full screen or just the window. I just want to record my window. And now I have this bar down here at the bottom that's going to tell me that I'm recording my window now. So if I was a student, I'd want to jump over here to Google Earth and talk to my teacher about the 3 different examples of ancient culture I see here at the Roman Pantheon. And then after I finish explaining, I can go ahead and stop sharing. While it's loading, it's good to mention that this is a great tool for students to use to be able to express and explain and kind of talk about the processes that they're learning or the information that they're understanding and synthesizing. But this is also a great way for teachers to create very quick online tutorials or flipped lessons or something like that. Okay, so automatically, without touching anything, it's pulled up a brand new tab and it shows my video. In the light version, you don't have any edit choices. You do have the option to download this video, and you can save that down to your local storage, or you can choose to click the share icon and choose between Google Drive and YouTube. I would recommend that you be saving this to Google Drive. It's easier to protect, it's easier to house that way, and then students don't have to deal with putting a video up on YouTube just to share it with their teacher. They can just use this shareable link, and they'll use that link to turn into Google Classroom or for you as a teacher to make as an assignment in Google Classroom.